Hi guys, welcome to my blog, and today I'll be showing you how to travel from Lagos to Dubai through Benin Republic. And it's pretty simple. Now, what are the requirements? The requirements are: number one, you need your international passport, this, a yellow fever card, this, and you have to ensure that you are fully vaccinated to travel. The vaccination has to take place 2 weeks before your travel date. And basically, you need number one, the yellow fever vaccination and the meningitis vaccination. So these are the two vaccinations you need to travel to Benin Republic. So now, there are different modes to travel to Benin Republic. You can either go by air, by road. There are basically two borders that connect Lagos and Benin Republic. It is the Seme border and the Diroko border. I would advise you to go through the Seme border. Sometimes it gets pretty difficult to get flights from Lagos to Benin Republic, and if you're lucky to get, it's pretty expensive. So the cheaper option would be to go through road. You can either charter a car or go through the public transportation. And once you get to Seme border, you are advised to, it's always better to stamp yourself from the Nigerian side and from the Benin Republican side. So once you're done stamping, and you're advised to stay 14 days in Benin Republic. So now there are different accommodation options. You can decide to go to lodge in a hotel. You could do Airbnb, a shortlet. So depending on the option now. So the next thing you want to do is, once you've done this and you're in Benin Republic for minimum of 14 days, now the next step is to do your COVID-19 test. Yeah, you don't really need a COVID-19 test from Nigeria to cross to Benin Republic if you're going by road.